Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Have you tried? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Tried.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the values you are getting? Yes. ठीक है. So what about others? Only one student is replying.
So XU is 292.82.
XU is 292.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Anis is saying AST is 3189. So directly she is giving me the final value. Okay. Yes. What about others? What is the value of
So
XU?
mine
Hmm.
AST is 4685.03.
4685.03. So you're getting different answers. Yes, anyone else? I think one more student, Rohit, had told that he has done. What are you getting, Rohit?
So 39878.
3987.
3978.
3978. So there is some variation in all the three answers. So what I'll do, so let us just actually solve this so that it becomes easy for everyone. So let me do this for you. So the dimensions are B is 450 and the effective depth is 600. Okay. So it is already given, I think, factored moment, correct?
So it was 650, no?
The
600.
600
dimensions
was
were 450 by 600, correct? यही dimension बोला था ना मैंने?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I solved using 650.
Depth 650 you have taken.
Yes.
Okay. So the dimensions are 450 by 600. The factored moment is 750 and it is reinforced with 3 bars of 25 diameter on the compression side. So basically ASC is given to you. So ASC है 3 bars of 25. Okay, so remember in the design of a doubly reinforced beam, so basically there are two types. Okay, so in one case ASC will be given to you, so you only have to find out AST, and in some case nothing is given to you, you have to find both ASC and AST. So ASC give me this value and effective
147.
cover. Yes,
1472.62.
okay. Effective cover is equal to 50 mm. So calculate the amount of tension reinforcement if M30 and FE 500 is given. So basically we have to find, okay, others they can just mute themselves. To find is nothing but AST. Okay. So first we will find out XU. Okay, so first we'll find out XU. So XU is given by, okay, moment we already have, MU is nothing but 750. So this is given by CU1 into lever arm plus CU2 into lever arm. So 0.36 CKB into XU into D minus 0.42 plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. Okay, so what is the unknown? XU is the unknown. So apart from this, we have to find out FSC. Okay, so FSC के लिए what we were doing so far. Okay, FSC के लिए we found out FSC using XU max also, and FSC from the table. So अभी तक जो भी cases है, what we have seen that always it is the governing कौन सा है, always it is from the table. Am I correct? Table से जो value है, ultimately we are taking that only. Correct? So you can directly take the value of FSC from the table also. Okay, if you want to save time, you can directly take the value of FSC from the table. ठीक है, FSC हम अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे, 700 into 1 minus d dash XU max के लिए भी we used to find out. ठीक है, and FSC from the table. So FSC from the table के लिए first we have to find out d dash by d ratio. So effective cover is 50 and d is 600. So this is how much?
0.083.
0.083. ठीक है, so this from the table. So therefore FSC permissible from the table is how much you are getting if you interpolate. Four hundred and 16.08. Okay, 416.08 MPa. Okay, so again this value will be more than this, so you can directly use this, okay, and take the value of FSC. So now we got the value of FSC. Now what we will do, we will find out the value of XU. So therefore MR is equal to this and give me the value of XU now. Okay, others, please do simultaneously with me, those who have not done the problem, and give me the values. Yes, XU का value, anyone? Do you want me to write all these values also? 159. Exact 159?
159.42.
Okay. So XU is 159.42. I hope others are also getting this value. Okay, and XU max कितना है ये केस में? It is, okay, steel is 500, no? So 0.46 D.
276.
276 mm. Okay, so therefore XU is less than XU max. Hence it is under reinforced section. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out AST. So to find AST, we will use Cu1 plus Cu2 equal to Tu. Okay, so this is nothing but 0.36 FCKB into XU plus FSC into ASC is equal to 0.87 FY into AST. Okay, AST is the unknown, everything other is known to you. FSC is also known to you, so which implies AST 3198.67. ठीक है, 3189.67. Okay, so now we got the value of AST also. So now let us select suitable diameter and provide the steel. So assuming, let us say 32 mm diameter bars. So therefore AST provided okay, so you're taking 232 and 425. ठीक है, अगर सिर्फ 32 किया तो एनीवन कितना आ रहा है? 425 एंड
4
320.
bars.
इसका एरिया भी बताओ अनीस, कितना आ रहा है? हाँ, 4 bars of 32 is sufficient for this. Now give me the area also.
3216.99.
Sorry, come again.
3216.99.
Okay, so basically 3217. So 3217 still you are getting. ठीक है. So now after this, all of you pay attention. So after this, if we will go for the check, ठीक है. So when you're doing the check to find out XU, what you can do is, so in the previous problem, what we have done, we have actually taken, instead of FSC, we had taken the actual equation of FSC in terms of XU, correct? So in terms of XU, and then we got the value of XU. Or what you can do is, while doing the check, you can take the actual value of FSC and then also you can find out the value of XU. Okay, is this clear? So the first case may what will happen, actually in the first case when you find out the XU, so वो थोड़ा सा complicated है. When you find out XU instead of FSC, so that equation becomes complicated. So instead of that, what you can do, you can directly take the value of FSC जो हमने use किया है, ये value लेके you can find out the value of XU. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, your XU will be slightly more than XU max. In some cases, it might come. ठीक है, so practically जो थोड़ा सा जो last time जो difference आ रहा था, ठीक है, so last time जो XU max से point में थोड़ा सा greater आ रहा था, so practically that is not considered, that is neglected actually. ठीक है, so it does not make any difference practically. So since we were doing it theoretically, so I did the other way. So in this case, what we will do, we will take the actual FSC and find out the XU. Is this understood to everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो अभी मुझे बताओ XU का वैल्यू बताओ अभी. ठीक है, I hope everyone heard me carefully what I said. ठीक है, I'll just write it down. 0.3 V into XU plus FSC into ASC is equal to 0.87 FY into AST. ठीक है. So now FC के कितना है? 30, B is 450 and XU is how much? Anyone? 159.42, correct? Hey, correct me if I'm writing any value wrongly.
Safe,
So,
sir.
okay. So one student has got the value of XU. ठीक है, others just verify. ठीक है, FSC मैंने क्या बोला अभी, कितना लिया था हमने? 416.08 और ASC कितना है? क्वेश्चन में दिया है.
So XU we have to calculate, no?
Yes, exactly. Sorry, XU we have to calculate. All right. Plus FSC into SC is equal to 0.87 into FY तो AST अभी प्रोवाइड कितना किया है?
So 500 for one.
ओके
So grade is 500.
ओके AST प्रोवाइडेड है 321 से, ठीक है। तो XU realize saying 161.86. Others, is that correct?
Yes, the same.
161.86 mm. ठीक है, तो XU मिल गया, तो नाउ इट इज क्लियर, नाउ इट इज लेस देन XU max. ठीक है, XU max कितना था? 276. So hence it is under reinforced section. ठीक है, फर्स्ट चेक हो गया। अभी सेकंड चेक MR का चेक करते हैं। तो CU1 into lever arm 1 plus CU2 into lever arm 2, 0.36 FCK B into XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus FSC into AC into D minus D dash. ठीक है, so now give me the value of MR. Anyone? 755.50. Yes, just confirm this value. Others?
So it is right.
Yes, others also getting the same value? Just give me
Yes,
the
sir.
confirmation. ठीक है, so now this is actually greater than your MU, which is how much? 750. So hence it is safe. ठीक है, understood now what we have done in the previous problem and now? So you can use this approach also, so it is easy for you actually. ठीक है, last problem में थोड़ा सा confusion रहेगा, so you can directly do like this also. Understood everyone?
से एक बार पेज पलटाओ ना।
Yes, visible. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. So basically what I'm trying to say is, while you are checking, you can directly take the value of FSC and go forward. Okay, so that's what I was trying to explain. Okay, one more thing. So in the exam, whenever the question is asked, so in the exam, it is not necessary to check the design after you design. Okay, all of you listen to this carefully. So what we are doing is we are checking the design also after designing. So in the exam, it is not necessary to do that. Okay, I'm just showing you actually after designing also how do you check that. So this is something we are doing extra. Okay, so exam may it is not required for you to actually show the check. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so basically in the question it will only be asked to design the beam to find out the steel. So once you find out the steel and you show the reinforcement detailing, so that is enough. Unless and until if they specifically mention in the question, okay, show the check also after design. So in that case you can do. Are you getting? So this is, I have shown you how to check after design also. So basically in the question when the in the exam when the question is asked, so they just want to actually know the dimensions and the reinforcement. After you provide the steel, that is for our purpose what we are checking whether it is safe or not. So in most of the cases that comes out to be safe only. So in some of the cases unless and until you are providing the steel very high, okay, almost 1000 का difference mm square में तुमने ज़्यादा provide कर दिया, so in that case there is a possibility के over reinforced हो सकता है. ठीक है, so in most of the cases whatever we solve the problems in that it is mostly safe only. So just for your practice, okay, I'm making you solve problems in which some problems are unsafe also, so that you understand what to do in that case. Are you getting? Okay. ठीक है, so लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में और ये प्रॉब्लम में डिफरेंस समझ में आया सबको? ठीक है, so लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में what we had done actually we while calculating the XU, ठीक है, ठीक है, while doing the check, लास्ट टाइम हमने क्या किया था, while doing the check जब ये XU फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे तो FSC को in terms of XU लिया था हमने डायरेक्ट. सो इन दैट केस क्या हो जाएगा, जो तुम्हारा इक्वेशन जो बनेगा वो एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनेगा. एम आई क्लियर? So in case of a quadratic equation you will have two roots. ठीक है, so in that two roots if both are positive, if one is negative and one is positive then there is no issue. ठीक है, you will take the positive one and solve. अगर दोनों root in some case if both are positive, then how will you decide which one to take? So that is the reason I told you follow this one. Understood everyone? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let us actually, I hope now we have done all the types in this problem. So what we will do, we will just see one numerical from the paper. Let us see how it is asked in the paper. Take paper quickly, we will see the problem and solve so that we get the idea of how the question is asked. So let me just find out a question for you from the paper. Okay, just yes, is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
All of, Okay, so let us just try to find out if any doubly reinforced problem is there or not. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 1 क्वेश्चन 2 में ऑल आर WSM. क्वेश्चन 3 से देखो डिजाइन अ सिंगली reinforced, ये तो सिंगली reinforced है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखो रेक्टेंगुलर बीम ऑफ साइज इज गिवन, फैक्टर्ड मोमेंट इज दिस, फाइंड द स्टील फॉर द फ्लेक्चर, ensure that the design leads to an under reinforced section, adopt limit state method. Yes, can you solve this? What do you think? What do you think, which type of question will be this? Yes. Yes, anyone? Singly. Okay, so by looking at it you understood that it is singly. Or you have to check that whether it is singly. So how do you came to the conclusion that it is singly, Anis? Have you checked or you just okay, same section dimension or the same problem you're talking? Okay, acha, so have I given this question in the assignment or what? Okay, fine. So take down the question. If this already you have done, then take down the question. A concrete beam has 350 mm breadth and 700 mm effective depth. A concrete beam has 350 mm breadth and 700 mm effective depth. Design the beam if it is subjected to
So what are the dimensions?
350 by 700. ठीक है, काम करो, डायरेक्ट डेटा लिख दो, 350 by 700. ठीक है, and superimposed bending moment is 400 kilonewton meter. Superimposed bending moment 400 kilonewton meter. Use Fe415 and M20. Use M20 and Fe415 and take D dash is equal to 50. Take D dash equal to 50. Okay, so basically you have to design the beam. That means find out the steel. Okay, so quickly start solving and give me the values. Okay, I think last 6 minutes hai, so I hope we can solve this within 6 minutes.